Mr. Long. Today I'm going to show you how to code in Python. Python is a computer coding language. It's one of the main ones along with JavaScript. I'm going to show you how to code in Python, but how to do loops. Loops are something that happen over and over and over again, just like they sound. Loops in coding make it a lot easier on the coder. Alright, so if you look here, in another lesson I showed you how to code in Python 5 circles with a forward command in between each circle, so that we had kind of an overlapping circle. So we're commanded to make this shape, and we did, using these 10 lines of code. We went circle, and it drew us a circle, and then we went forward by 40. And when we run our code, it did this. Okay, it's going through each of these. Circle, move forward 40, circle 35, forward 40. Now, if you're a coder and you have to do something, and you have to, for example, code someone to do a dance, say you want to do an emoji dance, or you want to do some kind of action in a video game, and it happens over and over and over, instead of the coder having to go through there and command that and spend a lot of time writing that, imagine having to write this, but you need 40,000 circles, okay, instead of just 5. Too much. So I'm going to show you how to do loops. Okay, it's a lot simpler. So in Python, there's a way to do it. So we're going to erase all this, and it's kind of confusing at first when you write the command, but once you know the command, it's very simple. We're going to go over to the docs. It's going to tell you our commands that we can do. It says instead of repeating code over and over, for example, forward 10, left 90, forward 10, left 90, just like our circles in our forward, you can use a for loop to repeat the code. And this is actually right here. This is the command. This is the syntax for the command. And when I say syntax, that means how it's written. In coding, syntax is important. It has to be written in a specific way for the computer to understand it. Okay? So we're going to type in let me go up here. For I in range, okay? And then our parentheses, and how many times do we want it to do it? We said we wanted 5 circles with 5 forwards. So we're going to type in 5, and then a colon. We hit enter, and you notice that it automatically, right here, indents, because it realizes you're about to write a loop. And we said we wanted to go a circle for 35, and then we wanted to go forward for 40. So what it should do is it should do whatever's under the loop, however many times you put for I in range. Go back to run code. We're going to stop, run our code, and there we go. So it does the exact same thing as we did before, but now we're having it do it in a lot less code. We don't have to write that code over and over and over again. So that's how you write a loop in coding, Python coding.